How to cancel Amazon orders. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually cancel your Amazon orders, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel your orders on Amazon, all you have to do is just go ahead and basically launch the Amazon application. Now the cancellation of an order depends upon where the product has already been shipped, whether it has been packaged or not, or whether it's already been packaged and sent to the warehouse, or whether it has already begun the shipping process as well. It depends upon where and how, because if the product is still with the seller, you can contact the seller to cancel the order, but if the product is already with Amazon and it's already been sent to the warehouse, you have to contact Amazon. Now to get started with this, first of all, launch the Amazon shopping app. Then over here you can just go to this account icon from here. Then once you tap on this account icon, basically you'll find the option called your account, and once you tap on the account icon here, basically you'll find the option called your orders. You want to just go to your orders, and when you go to your orders, you'll be able to see a list of all your Amazon orders listed up over here. Now you'll also be able to see whether or not it is cancelable, because if it's not, then you basically just need to contact the Amazon customer care. To contact the Amazon customer care, tap the three lines icon from the bottom right, go to customer service, then simply talk to a real agent in order to get help solving your issue. This is simply how you can cancel your Amazon's order. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.